Kasi this opportunity, if you are coming here to Canada as an international students, meron pong funding options, no tuition fees, at may scholarship grant po. Kaya sundan nyo po mabuti ang video ito kasi ituturo ko po sa inyo. Kamusta mga kababayan? Salamat sa Diyos at meron na naman tayong isang mabuting pagkakataon na magkita-kita naman muli at dalangin ko pong parati sa Diyos na sana kayo ay lagi nasa mabuting kalagayan. Dun po sa mga bago pa lang sa akin channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-notify po kayo pag may bago akong video kasi sayang po kung mapapalampas nyo yung mga tips, informations at lalo-lalo na yung mga opportunities doon sa mga nagnanais na makapunta dito sa Canada. At huwag nyo rin po akong kalimutan na i-follow sa aking Facebook page. Ilalagay ko po yung link below para ma-check nyo po yung aking Facebook page. And for today's video, I am very excited to announce and share with you this amazing opportunity for those of you na nagbabalak na makapunta dito sa Canada as an international student. Kasi noong nakaraan po, naglabas po ako ng video about international student na no processing fee, wala ka pong babayaran dun sa agency na nire-recommend ko po. Pero yung ilan po na nakapanood ng video yon ay nagtatanong sa akin at ang sabi nila is wala ngang processing fee. But don't get me wrong mga kababayan kasi kahit pa po sabihin natin na no placement fee, no processing fee, hindi po ibig sabihin totally wala po kayong babayaran. Meron pa rin po kayong babayaran. Ano naman yung babayaran nyo? Di syempre, yung babayaran nyo po is yung inyong enrollment. Ang kinaklaro lang po natin dito, may babayaran kayong tuition fee, pero wala po kayong babayaran na processing fee. Wala ngang processing fee na babayaran. Pero ang mahal naman ng tuition fee dyan sa Canada, which is true. Totoo naman po na may kamahalan ang pag-aaral sa universities or colleges dito sa Canada. That is reality po. Mahal po talaga ang tuition fee. Kaya nga po, minarapat ko na gawin ang videong ito para sagutin yung katanungan na yon. Kasi this opportunity, if you are coming here to Canada as an international students, meron pong funding options, no tuition fees, at may scholarship grant po. Kaya sundan nyo po mabuti ang videong ito kasi ituturo ko po sa inyo kung saan yung university yon at yung website kung saan kayo pwedeng mag-apply. Kaya kung handa na po kayo, sundan nyo po ako at ibibigay ko rin po yung link below para ma-check nyo po ang university ito at yung opportunity na ito. Kaya tuloy na po tayo dun sa ating tutorial kung saan nyo po matatagpuan ang university ito. Pupunta lang po kayo dito sa website na ito na acadiau.ca. Now, pag nabuksan nyo na po yung website na yon, makikita nyo po dun sa top nakalagay po yung pangalan ng university na Acadia University and makikita nyo po yung tatlong linya doon. I-click po natin yung tatlong linya. Pag na-click nyo po yon, lalabas po itong drop-down menu na ito. At makikita nyo po dito yung salitang international. I-click nyo lang po, wag po yung mismong international kundi yung drop-down na arrow. At makikita nyo po dito yung future students. Kasi kung kayo po ay international students na bago pala mag-apply dito sa Canada, ang tawag po sa inyo is future students. So, i-click po natin yung future students. At pag na-click nyo po yan, lalabas po ito. International students, future students. Acadia University is one of Canada's oldest and most respected universities. Founded in 1838, we are consistently rated the #1 primarily undergraduate university in Nova Scotia and among the best in Canada. Acadia can provide you with a special experience that's different from many larger universities. Our smaller size means smaller class sizes, more interaction with your professors, and opportunities for undergraduate research or co-op work terms. Instead of studying in a large city, you'll enjoy life in a friendly town and walkable campus. Many of our students live in residence, and over 90% of students live with a mile from campus. This is a perfect place to pursue an education and grow as an individual. Select your language. Pag clinic nyo po yan, makikita nyo po dito kung halimbawa, preferred nyo po yung language na Filipino, i-click nyo po yan. At lalabas po dito, mag-apply sa Acadia. I-click po natin yung mag-apply sa Acadia. Now is the perfect time to apply as a student at Acadia, whether you are entering from high school, working toward your master's degree, or continuing your professional development. Yung undergraduate program po, ang sabi dito, is a bachelor level degree and nearly all are 4-year programs. Yung graduate program naman po, a graduate degree such as a master's degree is one that follows an undergraduate degree in a relevant field. These are ordinarily for 1 to 2 years. So, naandito po yung admission requirements and application. I-click po natin yung graduate. So, pag na-click nyo po yan, alabas po dito, what is your application process? I am from the country of, where are you from? So, pwede po nating iselect kung saan kayo manggagaling na bansa. For example po, hanapin po natin yung Philippines. I-scroll down nyo lang po para mahanap nyo po yung Philippines. Click po natin ay Philippines. And then, kung ano yung program na interesado kayo, na kayo ay mag-apply. Click po natin yan. May mga iba't ibang mga programs po dito. But for now, I will just leave it as blank. How to apply? You can apply online by completing our application form. So, basahin nyo po itong how to apply kasi naandito po yung step-by-step procedure kung paano po kayo makapag-apply. I-scroll down ko lang po kasi dito makikita nyo po yung funding options. And yung GPA admission, kung galing po kayo sa Pilipinas, nakalagay po dito, Guidelines for Students from Philippines. Senior high school diploma with minimum of 85% or 2.24 over 5. So, 2.24 lang po ang hinihingi dito na qualification. May English proficiency requirement din. Acadia's minimum graduate studies English requirements are as follows. IELTS academic only, 6.5 overall with no subtest score below 6. Or naandito pa po yung iba't ibang klase na English test na pwede nyo pong i-take. So, ini-scroll down lang po natin para makita nyo po kung ano yung mga dapat nyong kailangan na mga requirements like transcripts. Kailangan po ito. This includes universities, colleges where you took only one or more courses but degree certificate was not conferred. You participated in an exchange program. You graduated from a program or you are currently enrolled. Nandiyan po yung mga requirements Pakibasa na lang po. Medyo mahaba-haba ito kaya hindi na po natin binabasa. And resume. You will need to send us a current professional resume using the applicant status portal. Now, iakyat po muli natin para makita po natin yung funding options para sa inyo. All applicants are encouraged to seek out external funding opportunities. I-click po natin itong link na ito. At mababasa nyo po dito, Money Matters, we recognize that graduate studies can be a financially challenging endeavor to undertake and are here to assist you in finding ways to cover your costs. You can explore program costs, university funding options, major external scholarship opportunities, and other external opportunities. So, ito pong mga ito ay clickable. Ibig sabihin, pwede nyo pong i-click. Kaya nga clickable eh. For example po, yung university funding options. I-click po natin yan. So, naandito po. Babasahin nyo na lang dito. University Financial Support for Graduate Students. And yung isa naman po, pagka i-click natin, yung Major External Scholarship Opportunities, ayan, iba't ibang external awards po, like Canada Graduate Scholarship Masters, SSHRC, Research, Nova Scotia Research, at i-click nyo na lang po dito yung how to apply. Like do sa Canada Graduate Scholarship Program, i-click nyo lang po dito yung how to apply. SSHRC, Research, Research NS, Nova Scotia Research. Nandiyan po yung mga how to apply. And that's it for me today mga kababayan. Sana po ay nakatulong ang short video ito dun sa mga kababayan nating international students na naghahanap po ng funding options, scholarship opportunities, at no tuition fees. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. And as always, more tips, informations, and opportunities to come. I will see you, God willing, on my next video. Samahan nawa kayong parati ng Panginoon sa inyong pang-araw-araw na buhay. Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat.